Here we introduce to you the latest digital level monitor and controller. This is a very economical model compared to other sensor-based models, and this is also a very highly reliable model. It has 3.5 digit display with a very high resolution of 1 centimeter. It works on the same principle that the liquid pressure at the bottom, which is directly proportional to the liquid column height, is sensed using the media, that is the compatible piezo-resistive linear sensor. The sensor we have used is the piezo-resistive linear sensor. It is a highly reliable sensor which has no moving part. It also requires no electric. It also has no electrical contact with liquid. The features of the system are: it has a 3.5 digit display. It has a high resolution unit of 1 centimeter. The system can also be measured in percentage. The datum or the zero level adjustment can also be made in the system. The switch has been provided and you can change it. And also the units can also be measured in centimeter and also in percentage. The switch has also been provided for that. The liquid level can be measured for a height up to 20 meters. Also, the temperature for height up to 80 degrees centigrade can also be measured. There are two main ways in which the sensor can be installed. The one is the most suitable, that is the external based system. Here it has minimum contact with the liquid. A T-based joint can be provided so that the system can be easily installed. This is the main diagram in which how it can be shown. For further details you can contact us. The second way of installation is the immersion of the sensor in the liquid. The sensor with the tripod is lowered into the tank until it rests at the bottom of the tank. Care should be taken that no air bubble is trapped in the sensor and no sharp object be inserted through its mouth. An appropriate cable extension, 3/4 of required length, is connected to the sensor cable, which has a weatherproof joint, maintaining the color code at the other end of this extension cable is properly joined with the 3-pin connector assembly provided for the assembly. The monitor is mounted at any convenient position. In this way, it can easily be adjusted. The 3-pin connector from sensor is also connected in proper orientation to the MEA sensor inlet at the back of the monitor. This is a polarized sensor. Now all you have to do is to switch on the power adapter and the display will be on. Please note that the monitor will achieve stability after a warm-up period of 3 to 4 minutes. You can see that as the water level in the tank changes, the measurement also, and the display also changes in the tank. This is a highly reliable based system and you can use it. It also has a serial based output through which we can easily connect it to the computer and data can be also be further taken. Okay. For any other contact, for any other information you need, you can contact Active Instruments. The system can easily be modified according to your requirements. All you need is to specify your requirements to us and we will help you to suit your requirements. The system can easily be installed and it has a high life and it is the most economical system that is available.